everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss benzene derivatives. So first thing is, what is benzene? It is six-membered cyclic ring. It is a six-member ring containing three alternate pi bonds in any manner. That is benzene. And if we count the carbon and hydrogen, then formula is C6H6. And if different groups, substituent groups or functional groups are present, then they are called benzene derivatives. So today we will discuss benzene derivatives. First is if OH group is present on benzene ring, then it is called phenol. Then it is called phenol. If we count the formula, then it is C6H5OH. Next is if methyl group is present on benzene ring, then it is called toluene. Then it is called toluene. Or we can write the IUPAC name also. This is methyl group and this is benzene. Methyl benzene. Next is if NH2 group is present as a substituent group, then it is called aniline. Or we can write the IUPAC name also. This is amino group, amino benzene. This is a industrial name, common name aniline, and IUPAC name is amino benzene. Next is if carboxylic acid group is present, then it is called benzoic acid. If aldehyde group is present, then it is called benzaldehyde. So these all are monosubstituted benzene derivatives. If they are more than one substituent groups, then we use the term ortho, meta and para. How to decide ortho, meta and para? For example, first functional substituent group is X. With respect to this X, we can denote ortho, meta and para position. The next adjacent position is ortho. In similar manner, this is ortho. Next is meta position. This is meta position. There is a one carbon difference between substituent group and another group, and just opposite of substituent group there is a position called para. So this system is used when there are more than one substituent groups. For example, we have to write the name. So now these are two adjacent groups present at adjacent position. So now it is called orthomethyl toluene. orthomethyl toluene. And one another commercial name is also used if two methyl groups are present, then it is called xylene. So now we can write it also orthoxylene. If we move the methyl group to next position, then it will called metaxylene, and similar manner next position is paraxylene. So we can clearly say there is a difference of positions, two adjacent position ortho, one carbon difference, then metaxylene meta position, and just opposite groups are present, then it is called paraxylene, or we can write paramethyl toluene, right? Some other special names are for example, we have to write the UPSC name for this. This is a nitro group, three nitro groups are there, so we can say trinitrotoluene. Trinitrotoluene, we can give number also. If we use the number, then it will be 2,4,6 trinitrotoluene. And in short, it is known as TNT. TNT is an explosive material. So its structure is 2,4,6 trinitrotoluene. This is phenol. If three nitro groups are present in phenol structure, so name will be 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. And 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is known as picric acid. So picric acid is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Next is if COCH3 group is present, then it is called acetophenone, or we can write other name also, methyl carbonyl benzene. See again, methyl carbonyl benzene, and commercial name is acetophenone. If two benzene rings are connected, if two benzene rings are connected, then structure is called naphthalene, and if three rings are connected, then it is called anthracene. If three rings are connected, then it is called anthracene. Next is salicylic acid. If two functional groups are present, alcohol and carboxylic acid, so its IUPAC name is orthohydroxy benzoic acid. This is parent group, this is benzoic acid, and this is orthohydroxy benzoic acid. And its commercial name is salicylic acid. It is used to prepare aspirin. Aspirin is a antipyretic. Next is if CN group is present, nitrile group is present, then it is called benzene nitrile. If in any halogen group is present, then it is called halobenzene. X can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So name will be fluorobenzene, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, and iodobenzene. Next, if sulfonic acid group is present, SO3H is sulfonic acid, so name will be benzene sulfonic acid. If vinyl group is present with benzene ring, this is vinyl group present with the benzene ring, then it is called, commercially it is known as styrene. Styrene is used to prepare synthetic rubbers with the butadiene styrene rubber. So this is a vinyl group plus benzene, or even we can write the name vinyl benzene. Next is acidamide group, CONH2, that this is acidamide present with the benzene ring, then it is called benzamide. Next is if methoxy group is present with the benzene ring, then it is called anisole. Right. So these are the names of benzene derivatives. Commercially they are known by these names.